Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off active status on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on active status. Then you can see the option of show when you are active at the top. Turn off it by tapping on it. Next, tap on until I change it, or you can choose other options too. Then tap on pause. So this is how you can turn off active status on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.